¿Qué onda muchacho? Arriba las manos, caballo moreno, penetra tu barrio. Te enseño rolas de los rock, back frente. Blast again, esto para la gente. Reemplazo, sí, la entregarás.
These are the ingredients we're going to be using for today. 1.5 pounds of large shrimp, 1 cilantro bunch, 1 cucumber. We will be using 7 chiles serranos, also 2 Habanero Chiles, 1 red onion, and 18 limes. We can't forget about our salt and pepper to your taste. Now the first step is just to get all the juice out of your lime. Here I'm using a lime squeezer. If you don't have one at home, you could just go ahead and use your hands. They work as well. Here I'm using about 2 cups of lime juice. Now what you want to do to your chiles is just basically cut off the ends so that you do not add that to your blender. Now for the cilantro, we are going to be using almost a whole bunch, as you can see. Now you're going to go ahead and put the cilantro and the chiles along with salt and pepper to your taste into the blender and go ahead and give that a blend. Like everything, give it a taste. Make sure it doesn't need no salt. Now here our shrimp is actually gonna get cured or cooked with lime. So here I'm just cutting them in half to speed up the process. You do not want to cook them in water. It just ruins the whole taste. It adds a whole different flavor to your aguachiles. This is the best process. Quick and easy. Now our shrimp has been cleaned and cut. You simply want to go ahead and add everything that you blended and then let that sit in the fridge for about an hour until the shrimp starts to turn color. Then you will know they're ready to eat. So this is how they look an hour later. Now it's the perfect time to start cutting up the cucumber and also the red onion. The reason why you want to wait towards the end so you can cut your cucumber and your onion is because you don't want them to turn bitter. That is a very high key with your cucumber. If you cut it and then you just let it rest after some hours, for some reason it just seems to turn bitter. So you always want to leave that towards the end. You're doing simple round cuts and then you cut those rounds into halves. And that's exactly how you do the cuts for the cucumber. For the onion, you're simply gonna remove the outer membrane and then you're just gonna do thin slice. You can use as much onion as you like. Here I will be using almost a full onion. You just want to basically cut those onion rings in half. It's been an hour and 20 minutes. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and add the shrimp to the onion and the cucumber. Look at this, guys. Looks very delicious, mouth-watering. Smash that like button if your mouth is watery. Go ahead and give it a quick mix. Make sure that you serve it nice and cold. Now here you guys have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and actually get to try this estilo of aguachiles. If you're brand new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Other than that, this video's come to an end. It's your boy Chefing J Up. See you next time. Peace.